Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about important time cycle of Gann, which can help you in capturing some decent moves in the market. This is the chart of Polycab, and as you can see here the stock has seen a very decent rally. I mean, this was kind of a blow off rally, and the stock has moved from this point to this point. Can we capture these lows, these highs using both price and time cycle of Gann? So we'll be discussing on that. Having said that, time cycle or price cycles of Gann or Gann itself is not a holy grail. It is just, is one of the technique, which we are using. And at the end of the day, everything works in market, provided you are disciplined, you have the right risk management, right position size, and there is nothing called holy grail. Stop losses will get triggered in any strategy you follow. So you need to accept that. This is very important because a lot of people, when we talk about Gann, they told that it will help you in forming tops and bottoms. Yes, to an extent, sometimes it happens. Like we'll take some examples today in this video also. But again, to reiterate, these are not holy grails. These are just a particular method or an edge, and edge what we call as educated guess. We're just trying to make a guess with probability, which we feel that it will work in our favor. If it doesn't work, we have to accept it and move on to the next trade. So yeah, so that's about it. So let's move forward. So what we do is, see, there is something called as Gann retracements. What are Gann retracements? Now we have heard about a lot of Fibonacci retracements. So Gann retracements are something like this. What Gann used to tell was, he used to believe, I mean, basically do a lot of studies on circles. So, we can divide a circle in 8 parts, right? So 8 is what we call as octave, right? Uh, and a circle can be divided. So if this is 8, and if I divide a circle, so I get these retracements. So we have Fibonacci retracements which are different, and Gann retracements are different. 0.125, 25. So this becomes 12.5, 25, 37.5, 50, 62.5, and you can take it forward also. So with these retracements, you can capture some very nice moves in the market. How is that? So let's take first, I'll give you an example of Polycab. So this is Polycab chart, and if you can see here, it made a bottom somewhere here, right around 853 on 21/12/2020. Okay, then the price rallied, and it made a top here, which was a major top. From there, we had a very decent correction, almost more than around 10% of correction, right? So what we are trying to say here is, so 853, 854 is the bottom, and 2033 is the top, right? So what we can type here in Excel, 2033 is the top and 854 is the bottom. So the total rally which this stock has given in point terms is 1179, right? So this is the rally which this particular stock is given. Now if I do this 1179 multiplied by 0.125, it will give me some number 147, and you can put the dates also. So this low was made upon uh, 21 12 20, and this high was made upon 2030 on 1st June 2021. Right? We'll reconfirm the numbers again. So it made a low on 853.854 on 21/12/2020, and this was the top on 1st June 2021 of 2033. So we are focusing on this range part. This range is very important. If we put this Gann retracement to that, like 1179 multiplied by 0.25, so it will give me 294 days. So if I add like 1st June plus 147, it will give me 25/11/2021. So this could be a potential trend change date for this particular stock. Let's see, 25/11/2021. 25, this is 16, 25. See here, it was a kind of an intermediate top. After that, the very next day the stock fell down 4%, and if you capture this low, around 5 to 6% of fall, which we have seen here, right? So this way you can calculate. So what we are doing is this. So in our example, so these are the dates based on range. So this is our scanner. It will give this. So it gave a date of 8/7 2023, it took the 1125 62.5% retracement. 8/7 2023. So this is 7th, this is 8th, right? So again, this is the 8th, and you can see here again the same rule which we use. We don't trade on this day. After this day, if high is broken, we go long. The very next day, it was up 6%, right? And this is our Gann indicator. So this plays a very important role. The red lines are given extra importance. See, it took support at red line. It broke this line, so generally this point is the target. This, and see, the top which has made is exactly at 4924, which was this red line. So probably if this high is not broken, then it should go all the way towards this point, which is 4100. So this is a simple way, you can use to capture some very decent moves in the market, both on price cycle. So these levels are our own trading view indicator which we use, but on the price front, you can absolutely use this, and you can capture some very nice moves in the market. You can just keep trailing. If the stock is making a kind of blow off move, keep moving the stop loss to the previous day's low. It will not get triggered, right? So even and when this red line comes, you can always go ahead and book your profits. So now we have a lot of examples here like Coforge. We'll quickly take, you can pause this video, take a screenshot of this, and I'll quickly show you on, trading view. Yeah, so sorry, on ME broker, how we can use this. So what we have to do is just come here. This is our, it gives us the target. So this again an indicator in ME broker. Whatever is the time cycle dates, you can apply it. So let's take another example. Coforge was also there, which was also coming on 8th. This is 7th, and this is 10th. So we use the 10th. Just go and click on this 10th one, and again you get this. So trade short is this point, and long is this point. It went about this, and first, second, third, almost 3-4 targets were completed. So similarly, there are a lot of stocks like Dixon is also one of them. It was coming on 16/7. So we'll just go here, type Dixon, and select here 16/7. Again, you can use any price cycles. I mean, I use this indicator which we are quite comfortable with. So 17 will use. See, first target done, then second done, third done. Almost it did all the targets. Almost 3-4 targets are done. So it's a game of patience. And if you're using Gann and we want to capture big moves, obviously there is a positional trade which we need to target. So that way we can obviously use this particular strategy, and that helps us in finding some very very nice moves in the market. Now this has already happened. These are the stocks. You can pause and check the video. I've told you how to calculate this also. Now let's focus on the dates which are coming in next week, so you guys can take some. I'll start from 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. These are the stocks which we are triggering, focusing on. TCS, uh, SRF, Reliance is also on 28th, Naukri is on 23rd. Again, Reliance is on 26th. So 2 days Reliance is coming. So next week Reliance can be cautious. I mean, we have to be cautious about it. Then 28, 26, 29. So these are the stocks which you can focus on. These are the dates. I'll just sort them in order so it becomes easy for you. Yeah. So 23 Naukri, Dr. Reddy's, Reliance, SRF is coming twice, 26 and 28. So if two dates are coming twice, always prudent to focus on the last date or just do intraday on this day. Eicher Motor is on 28, Mphasis is on 29, TCS is on 30. So try to focus on these dates, and based on that, you will be able to capture some decent moves. So yeah, that's about it. A very small video on how to calculate time cycles and price cycles. I wish you guys all the best. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you very much.